Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set iPhone to turn off after a certain time. So you can make your iPhone to turn off after 30 seconds, after 1 minute, and after 5 minutes or more. So for the end of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to set your iPhone to turn off after a certain time, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on display and brightness. Then scroll down display and brightness and click on auto lock. Once you selected that, then you can choose any of the time frame here so as to make your iPhone turn off at that time. This is not going to turn off your iPhone completely, rather it's going to lock the iPhone screen and make the iPhone screen goes blank. Now here you can see I set my time to 30 seconds. You can go ahead and set to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, or 5 minutes at max. However, if you don't want your iPhone screen to turn off itself until you press the start button, just go ahead and select never. But in this case, let's go with 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, the iPhone is going to turn off its screen, and then you need your passcode or Face ID to unlock it. So that's exactly how to set iPhone to turn off after a certain time. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.